Hello everyone! Recently we talked about USDT on the Tron network and how to earn interest on it via CoinRabbit. This easy guide will be about USDT, but the one which is based on the Ethereum network. This means its transactions occur on the Ethereum blockchain, which requires that the sender pay a fee in Ethereum to ensure the transaction confirms. The transaction fees are higher than those for the USDT TRC20, however, both coins are identical. Let me quickly navigate you through the process of opening a USDT ERC20 deposit on CoinRabbit. First, navigate to the Earn page, enter the amount of USDT you're willing to put on a deposit, then simply confirm your phone number, as we do not require our clients to undergo the Know Your Customer procedures. And after you transfer the amount of USDT to the address written here, enjoy earning interest on your ERC20. Don't forget that you can check up on your deposit to see daily interest, top up your amount, or withdraw anytime you want. All in all, the whole flow takes up to 5 minutes, as promised. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Earn with CoinRabbit.